Welcome to FortiSIEM Nozomi Guardian integration demonstration. In this video, we can see how we can use the FortiSIEM feature to integrate with Nozomi Guardian and the usage of it. Nozomi Network is a leader in OT and IoT security. Nozomi Guardian is used to monitor OT, IoT networks and provide better visibility. Nozomi Guardian can be integrated with multiple Fortinet products such as FortiGate, FortiNAC, FortiManager, FortiSIEM. By integrating FortiSIEM with Nozomi Guardian, we can retrieve the asset information from Nozomi Guardian and we can monitor them effectively and efficiently. So once we successfully retrieve all of this information, we can see the list of devices in the FortiSIEM CMDB. So in this example, we can see around 201 IT/OT devices list are retrieved through the Nozomi API, including the name, IP address, and other informations. We can model these OT devices under business services. Purdue level logical grouping is one of the methods is used to logically group the OT devices. For example, PLC RTU can be in the level 1, historian HMI can be in the level 2, manufacturing zones devices can be in the level 3, management zones devices can be in the level 3.5, and so on. By logically grouping the devices, it will be convenient for the operation team to monitor. And we can monitor this group of devices for the anomalies and abnormal activities. For example, you can see sudden increase in the DNS request from the specific Purdue level, inter-Purdue level communications, large outbound transfer of the traffic, data exfiltration from the any specific Purdue level groups, devices, so on. Let's log into the Nozomi Guardian and we will integrate with the FortiSIEM. Once you log into the Nozomi Guardian, navigate to administration and data integration. You can add a new integration. In my case, I have already configured. Select the safe format and enter the URI, in this case, the protocol, and followed by the FortiSIEM IP and the syslog IP. If you want to send the historical data, you need to enable a checkbox and send historical data as well as new data. So if you select that, all the historical data will be on the appliance will be sent as well as the new data going forward. By default, this is unchecked. If you want to send the alerts following only with a security profile, you need to select the option security only alerts following the security profile. Once you select, only the alert having security profile will be sent out. Alert query filter is used to filter the alert to be sent to the FortiSIEM. Similarly, audit log, health log can be enabled if you want to send out to the FortiSIEM. Once you have successfully configured that, make sure the connection status and the connectivity status is okay. Now let's move to the FortiSIEM console. First, we need to enter the credential of the Nozomi Guardian. Navigate to admin, setup, and credential. Enter the new credential if you don't have. So once you enter here, then give a name for the access method. Device type should be Nozomi Networks SCADA Guardian. Nozomi REST API should be the protocol, and followed by you enter the credential of this Nozomi Guardian. Once you save, Move to the step 2, associate the IP with a credential. Select new if you don't have any association. So in that association definition, you enter the IP of the Nozomi Guardian and enter the credential that you set up in the step 1. Once you configure, please test that the connectivity to ensure all the configuration will work fine. So in this case, the connection is working fine. You can see the access method is through the Nozomi API. It able to retrieve the device information. Once we successfully enter the credential, let's move to the discovery. So if you want to set up a new discoveries, select new and give any name, and device type should select a Nozomi scan. Discovery type. The credential select that you entered in the previous steps. Under the option, you can select according to your requirement. Once everything is configured, select save and click discovery to retrieve all the asset information from the Nozomi Guardian. It will take few minutes to pull all the information. The information actually including IP address, name, description, so on. So once we successfully retrieve this information, it will be automatically added into the FortiSIEM CMDB. So in this case, we have successfully retrieved around 209 devices, including the details such as IP address, name, and the type of device. Once we successfully configured, let's move to the CMDB to verify that. We can see around 213 devices totally in the CMDB, which are OT and IoT devices. So these are the name of the device, IP address, which we retrieved from the Nozomi Guardian. As I explained previously, we can group them into according to the Purdue level. It will be very convenient and we can monitor effectively of the device. There are a lot of inbuilt rules for the OT monitoring. So such as once you group the devices into the Purdue level, you can monitor the intra-Purdue level communication, inter-Purdue level communication, and top incidents for the sources and such as. Hope this information is useful for you. Thank you.